Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Zoom recording into a blog post using ChatGPT and Notion. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, grab your Zoom recording and upload it to a transcription tool like Otter.ai or Fireflies, so you have a clean transcript. Once you've got that text, open ChatGPT and make a new chat. And paste in the transcript with a prompt such as transform this meeting transcript into a 500-word blog post with a catchy intro, clear sections, and a conclusion. In seconds, you will get a polished draft. Next, head over to Notion and create a new page. Copy the AI-generated blog post into your Notion page and then use Notion's formatting tool. Add headings, images, or call-out blocks to break up the text and spice up the layout. If you want to tweak tone or length, just revise your prompt in ChatGPT and repeat. With this simple workflow, transcribe, prompt, and format, you will have a ready-to-publish blog post in minutes. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.